Welcome to this video on the setting up of BI reports. These BI reports are required as part of your More4apps installation of the ERP Cloud Toolbox modules. There's three parts to the installation process. First there's the Excel add-in, then there's the BI reports that need to be installed on the cloud instance that we're doing now, and then the end users need the appropriate privileges. Before running through the install, there's three prerequisites. Firstly, you need to be able to log into Fusion Cloud ERP, have access to import BI reports, and have downloaded the installation file for the More4apps product. First, log in to your Oracle ERP environment, go across to the Tools menu, select Reports and Analytics. Now we need to browse the catalogue. We go to the Shared Folders, and we go down to Custom, and we want to unarchive a file. So we're going to choose the catalog file that comes with the module that you're using. So look under Reports and just choose the .catalog file. We want to replace all. So the jobs are now uploading in the background. If we go and have a look at My Account at the top right here, by selecting the Unarchived Job tab, we can see the progress of the files we're trying to load. You can see we've got one job in progress and the others are completed. We now go and load the shared catalog used by the More4apps products. Again, we browse and we choose the toolbox.addin.catalog file. Same thing, we do a replace all, and again this is uploading in the background. It's a good idea to review the background processing just to confirm that these additional catalog files have also been loaded. As you can see, we're still waiting on one job to complete. Everything else has been completed. We highly recommend you keep coming back to the same screen with the unarchived jobs to make sure that everything is completed. You can also go and have a look at the file structure under the custom directory, and you can see there's the common files there. There'll be files under Finance and the add-in toolbox. I hope you found this useful for the installation of your BI reports. Thanks for watching this More4apps video.